A recent rumor suggested that Xiaomi could unveil the 17 Ultra in China on December 26. Now, a new report claims the company has already begun accepting blind pre-orders for the device. We already see, for the first time, a real Xiaomi 17 Ultra has been photographed in the wild, the Xiaomi 17 Ultra concealed in a protective case. Now we have our first possible look at it through unofficial leak renders. These images give us an idea of what the phone will look like and what to expect. Suggest the upcoming phone will feature a triple rear camera setup. The images show the photography kit in two variants, beige and black. The Xiaomi 17 Ultra's cameras include 50MP OmniVision OVX10500U main camera, 200MP Samsung S5K HPE telephoto camera, 50MP OmniVision OV50M or Samsung S5K JN5 ultrawide camera, a 50MP OmniVision OV50M selfie camera. One past rumor claimed it would sport a 6.85-inch LTPO OLED screen with 2K plus resolution and symmetrical bezels on all sides, bezels which will be thinner than any iPhones. Xiaomi 17 Ultra powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 processor and up to 16GB of RAM and 1TB UFS 4.1 storage. The 3C certification further confirms that the Xiaomi 17 Ultra will support 100W wired charging as pricing speculated to start around 6,000 yuan. The Xiaomi 17 and Xiaomi 17 Ultra that Xiaomi offers globally, just like the Xiaomi 15 Ultra and smaller Xiaomi 15 before it, also expected to hit the market in early 2026. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.